Welcome back to my channel. This is Shanrak again. Today guys, gagawa tayo ng preserved radish omelette, Chinese style. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Ito yung kanyang mga ingredients. Okay guys, ito yung radish na preserve. Kailangan natin siyang isuk sa water. Kasi masyadong maalat ito guys. Kailangan matanggal yung kanyang salty, yung kanyang alat. So, okay guys, ayan. Pipigayin muna natin yung, i-squeeze natin yung ating radish na preserve. Para i-chop na natin siya guys. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang, baka mahiwa mo yung iyong kamay. Ayan guys. Kailangan isuk natin ito ng matagal kasi maalat ito guys eh. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng salt yung egg.
I-chop natin siya ng maliit guys.
Ito na yung ating na-chop na radish, preserved radish. And next is yung ating spring onion guys. Guys, ito yung ating spring onion. Chop din natin yung ating spring onion, guys. Okay? Yan. Yan siya, guys. Okay? Okay, guys, i-break natin yung egg. So, kailangan natin lang ng 3 egg, guys. Yan. Then, paghaluin natin ng mabuti. Ayan. Okay. No need to add anything like pepper or salt. Okay. Yes, that's it. Very easy. Ito na yung ating omelette. Let's start to fry our omelette. Okay. Let's put the oil. Maliit lang naman. Okay, lagyan na natin ang oil. Okay, kailangan yung pan nyo guys. Kailangan yung pan nyo guys, flatten siya para maganda ang pagka-fry natin ng ating omelette. Okay, huwag masyadong malakas ang apoy. Okay, guys, ilalagay natin. Dahan-dahan lang guys. Ay, half lang muna guys. Half. Depende sa egg ninyo, no? Okay, ayan muna. Half lang muna. Dahan-dahan lang guys. Hindi natin ikalat yung nasa ibabaw para malagyan ito yung dito natin. Yes. Mas spread natin. Okay. Pag kumain kayo sa restaurant guys, meron kayong makikita ganito. Meron silang recipe na ganito, guys. Kailangan yung apoy natin huwag masyadong malakas. Okay guys, hahatiin natin siya kasi medyo una-una itong side na naluto. Lagay natin dyan sa ating plate. Okay, then let's wait until na magiging well done cook sa bottom niya itong side. Itong sa left side. Okay. Okay, ito na yung left side niya guys. Okay na siya. Ready to. Okay guys, ito na yung ating preserved radish omelette. Okay, slice na natin siya guys. Okay, ganito lang siya guys. Pwede naman siya triangle, pwede din square. Depende na lang nito guys. Yung parang cake style siya, triangle. Pwede rin ganito. Okay guys, ito na yung ating preserved radish omelette. Very yummy guys. Look good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. And guys, look, mayroon akong membership level na silver, gold, and platinum. If you join to my silver guys, only 10 Hong Kong dollar. If you join to my gold level is only 25 Hong Kong dollar. And if you join to my platinum is only 200 Hong Kong dollar. Okay guys, kita-kita po tayong muli on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!